Today, I will give you some idea about a cryptocurrency site that can blow your mind. Are you ready? Then let's get started. 100x is more than just a coin. It's a motto, a maxim. It's what unites the community. They are not out here to just 100x their market cap. They are here to 100x impact, take 100x shots on goal, 100x everything they do. To kill bots, grow the community, and reward holders, the 100x coin team, led by Ken, created a new smart contract designed for explosive growth in the bull run. Let's talk about the tokenomics of the 100x coin. The starting 100x dollar token supply is 93,531.25 billion and is distributed across wallet holders with no reserve for founders or developers. All 100x dollar can be bought or sold freely. The tokenomics of 100x dollar coin are distributed in 5 categories. 3.5% of this tokenomics is for burn per transaction, 2% of this tokenomics is for automatic burn, 1.5% of this tokenomics is for reserved for manual burns, 2% of this tokenomics is for automatic liquidity pool generation, and 1.5% of this tokenomics is for marketing and development allocation. These tokenomics were built from the community advice after reviewing other successful projects this year. These specific features are turned for hypergrowth of the 100x dollar token. Each benefit will be discussed in turn. A key change from popular project is there is no redistribution of tokens. Redistribution does not actually reward holders in the way the most other token promote. By sending small amounts of tokens to wallet holders, the redistribution actually gives more selling power to holders. This is why the 100x dollar token burns 3.5% of transaction. In this way, holders are rewarded by a constant increase in token worth as the circulating supply decreases. Redistribution only is beneficial to the top 20 or so wallets and does not help community growth in the long term. The liquidity pool function was taken from the successful project SafeMoon. In order to create more liquidity in the PancakeSwap pairing, the automatic liquidity function taxes buyers and sellers 2% each transaction. 50% of this transaction is used to buy Binance coin. Then the other 50% of 100x dollar is paired with the purchased Binance coin and added to the liquidity pool. Yes, it's just like SafeMoon, but instead of a hard fork like SafeMares or Safe whatever, they have layered in tokenomics designed for growth of the 100x dollar token and their community goals, which leads them to the most unique component of 100x dollar, the 1.5% of funds reserved for marketing and development. At the time of this writing, 100x dollar is traded at roughly $1 million in daily volume. This 1.5% represent 15k dollar USD that they will use to market the growth of the token and develop future platform features. 100x coin expect this to 10x on launch of the new token. Compare this to SafeMoon, who has to fundraise each time they want to release new features. Growth is capped and speed is limited. These funds increase their likelihood to grow parabolic before the bull run ends, while also creating features for sustainable growth. This wallet address will be shared with the community so that all transactions are transparent and clear. At 100x, they view marketing, sales, and development in a flywheel fashion. Roughly 40% of wallet funds will be used for marketing to attract new users. 20% will be used for a sales support team, that is Telegram for now, and 40% will be used for development of feature sets to be released in the coming months. 100x has a unique position that no other coin has. They have a week to prepare for launch. That means get memes ready, create your Reddit post and save them. Get your friend's Binance wallet set up. This week is going to be speak in the review in your life. Thank you everyone.